So maganda araw kabola, sa video nito pag-uusapan po natin ang isa sa pinakamatindi po na rumor kabola na bringing out nga po ni Snow Badwa in the past few days kabola, and then things that are happening around the league. So sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, baka pindot naman po yung subscription button. Ito muna kabola, no? So na-explain nga po nitong si Coach George Gallen, isa pa pong player na sana dapat din ang pasamalamatan, and that is Ivan Asca kabola, yung pong pinalitan ni Benny Boatwright. So basically the point here of Coach George Gallen is that Ivan was very professional kabola, kasi even though mapapalitan na po siya, he still played his hearts out in his 2 games kung saan pinalaro po muna siya kasi hindi pa na-workout itong si Benny Boatwright. And dito na makikita, diba? So ito mga players na pulot po ni Ivan, they deserve to be appreciated kabola. Although of course, makikita rin naman natin na mukhang much better talaga itong si Benny Boatwright kabola. And then one more thing kabola, remember that recent trade between Blackwater at Rain or Shine, and explain po ni Coach Yeng Giao kung saan po sila nang gagaling. And of course, parang ito naman talaga yung main point, diba? So they traded a guy that wants minutes. So he saw Nambatak po as a player that needs minutes po para makuha yung laro niya daw kabola. Then now that they have traded him, they now have that playing time available for their younger guards, and that makes this deal a win-win situation talaga for them. Actually kabola, this is a legit win trade for Rain or Shine, and now they holds the next 2 first po ng TNT other than the one po this year kabola. Kaya naman talaga kumbaga, 'di ba, pwedeng mag-tank na po ang TNT para sa Rain or Shine, 'di ba kabola? Kapag minalis-malis ang TNT kabola at biglang patuloy yung mga issues nila kabola with their roster, baka bigay pa sila ng top 6 pick dito po kay Rain or Shine kabola. So now, eto na nga po muna, dito po muna tayo sa comment section po natin. In our most recent video, sabi po ni Rosemary Pardillo, akalain mo na mauna pa si Cancino nila Hepa, Duncan Lane. Yes, magaling CJ, pero nakikita ko di sanay sa pisikalan, lalo sa PBA, nakikita ang mga scouts yan. Yes, I agree naman kabola, di ba, nakikita talaga ng scouts yan, and I do saw that also na medyo ayaw niya sa pisikalan. Pero first, he is a very skilled player kabola, and he's tall and he's very skilled. The combination of that is very deadly kabola. And of course, yung marketability din kasi ni Cancino kabola. And then remember that there's also a rule, di ba, against maximum number po kabola of field foreign. Kaya angat pa rin ito mga full-blooded na tulad po ni CJ, and that will make it easier to draft him compared po sa mga napangalanan po na almost lahat po ng mga ito kabola mga field foreign player. Now, ito na nga po yung dapat po natin pag-usapan po na trade ngayon. Very interesting. Ginebra reportedly wants Justin Aranya and Lex 2, but Converse saying, no, di kami taga-Bukid kabola. Ang nakakatuwa dito, yung ibang fans, ang take dito is that yun nga, na malaki ang chance na makuha siya ng Ginebra, malaki chance na makuha siya ng NLEX kabola, diba? Nandun po yung last part, hindi kami taga-Bukid. Converge is saying no kabola. Yes, it is easy for these big teams kabola to say that they are interested or to want these players from the other independent teams kabola. Pero of course, independent teams yung iba dyan, diba? Hindi naman po yan nila ibibigay ng ganun-ganun na. Special Aranya, who is very, very young kabola, on his who already filling up with this stat sheet. This guy is legit. Yes, he's not a giant kabola, pero he's putting up numbers. Sa Commissioner's Cup, 14.1 points siya, 6.5 rebounds kabola, and he shot 63% in the field. This guy is legit kabola. So talaga naman pong do not expect po na pakawalan po siya ng Converge kabola, diba? Ginebra, of course, they need that kasi nga medyo makatanda ng mga players nila overall. Ikaw ba sa palagay mo? Makakuha ba ng Ginebra si Aranya? Comment lang po sa baba.